In today's video, I'm going to teach you NotebookLM versus ChatGPT. Which one is better? If you're choosing between these two AI tools, the right pick really depends on how you work with information. Both are designed to help you process and understand content, but they focus on different strengths that can make a big difference in your day-to-day tasks. NotebookLM is built specifically for analyzing and interacting with documents and notes you upload. Think of it as a research companion that stays tightly grounded in your sources. It's great when you need reliable answers that trace directly back to the material you've provided, like PDFs, reports, or study guides. If your workflow revolves around reading, organizing, and questioning existing information, NotebookLM is purpose-made for that. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a more versatile all-purpose assistant. It supports writing, research, coding, brainstorming, marketing, and a wide range of productivity tasks. While it can analyze documents, its real strength is combining that analysis with broader explanations, industry context, and creative thinking. If you want help turning ideas into outputs like articles, scripts, emails, or code, ChatGPT typically gives you more flexibility. For research and document analysis, NotebookLM excels at answering questions based solely on your uploaded sources. It helps you summarize long materials, extract key insights, and stay grounded in what the documents actually say. A strong prompt to try here is summarize the key findings from these uploaded research papers and identify common themes. You'll get a concise source-based overview that's ideal for literature reviews, class notes, or project briefs. ChatGPT can do document analysis too, and then go a step further by offering broader explanations, analogies, and next step recommendations. That makes it handy when you want context beyond the text or need to connect your sources to practical applications. When it comes to content creation and productivity, ChatGPT generally leads. It's strong for blogs, scripts, marketing copy, code snippets, brainstorming, and editing across many industries. For example, you might say, write a 500-word blog post based on these research notes and include practical examples. You'll get a structured draft you can refine and publish faster. So, which one is better? Choose NotebookLM for document-based research and note analysis. Choose ChatGPT for content creation, business tasks, and general AI assistance. Many people combine both. Use NotebookLM to build trustworthy, source-grounded insights, then move to ChatGPT to transform those insights into polished outputs. In short, NotebookLM specializes in source-based research, while ChatGPT is your versatile, everyday assistant.